Hi friends, welcome to ShreeVeda Channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to watch live TV, movies and TV shows for free without paying any single paisa. For that we need an app. The app is called Oreo TV. Open Chrome, search for this is an open source software, so please download from the original site. If possible, I'll give the original link in the description. Scroll down all down to the site. Here you can find the link. Just click on it and wait till the app gonna download. To install this software on our Android, the basic requirement is it should be a more updated Android version 5 and above. And to install, first you need to go to settings and enable unknown source install. Once you do that, come back to the downloaded APK, then click on install. Open the app, make all the necessary settings which were requested on the screen. And to install an Firestick, you need to follow this process. First open the Firestick and go to settings, then open device option. From there click on unknown source installation. Once you turn on it, you can install that APK in your Firestick. This only work on Android device. There is no update on iOS device, still pending. And you can also install this APK in your PC by using this blue style Android emulator. This emulator you can find on Google. Just click on blue stack, you can see here. Just download and install in your PC. Once you install this software, you can click on the APK, Oreo TV APK file. It will automatically open it. Thanks for watching. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos.